हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज रोहित सैन। आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ चतुर्वर्णा सिस्टम के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। द कास्ट स्ट्राटिफिकेशन ऑफ द इंडियन सोसाइटी हैज हैड इट्स ऑरिजिन इन द चतुर्वर्ण सिस्टम। हमारे भारत में इंडियन सोसाइटी के जाति शास्त्रीकरण की शुरुआत हमारे चतुर्वर्णा सिस्टम में हुई है। आगे भी हम इसके बारे में और कुछ जानेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू नो अबाउट डेफिनेशन। Chaturvarna is Sanskriti word. Chatur means four and Varna means group for groups. The Hindu society was divided into four main Varna, namely, and the Brahmins, teachers, the Sastriya, fighters, the Vaishya, traders, and the Sudras, producers. The Varna system, which was prevalent during the Vedic period, which was mainly based on the division of labor and occupation. चतुर्वर्णा सिस्टम 4 विभागों में विभाजित था। फर्स्ट ब्राह्मण, सेकंड क्षत्रिय और वैश्य एंड शूद्र। एंड चतुर्वर्णा सिस्टम उत्तर वैदिक काल में बहुत ज्यादा प्रचलित हुआ था। उस टाइम पर चतुर्वर्णा सिस्टम को बहुत ज्यादा महत्व दिया जाता था, बट नाउअडेज नोबडी हैज गिवन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस चतुर्वर्णा। और चतुर्वर्णा में लेबर और ऑक्यूपेशन के ही द्वारा विभाजन किया जाता था लोगों के बीच। द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ब्राह्मण्स, क्षत्रिय एंड वैश्य एंड शूद्र। In the Vedic period, Brahmins were considered to be the gurus. उनको गुरु का दर्जा दिया जाता था। Is the person who has gained knowledge and most importantly, he is sharing with all selflessly for enlightening of society. And the Brahmins has placed at the top of the hierarchy and are regarded as pure. They are very pure person. That's why people have given the respect of this person. And शास्त्रीय सैनिक को कहा जाता था, who has protect the people from the enemies. So that's why people have considered to be Shastriya. So he is the person who is filled with valor, who is fearless, who has skill of warfare, and thus he has the ability to take part in war and save his land and people from enemies, the protect rest of the 3 groups and maintain the environment so that rest 3 can perform their function. Shastriya also have important parts of Chaturvarna. Vaishya trader. He is trader. Trader takes thing from one person and sells it to other at higher price, and they make profit. He is sharp. He is analytical, aptitude and good in calculations. He is quick in identifying business and money making opportunity. They are responsible for movement of goods and money. They are responsible for sharing some percent of their wealth to state. And now Sudra. They are responsible for proceeding things. All skilled people land up in this group. If you have aptitude of creating fine painting, superior wooden craft, producing grains, creating clothes, producing nice weapon for your army, etc., you are part of this category. One important thing, if you observe the job of all 4 groups, everything is depending on their aptitude. As per your aptitude, you can move in the group which you want to join and contribute to society. Nobody can say that by birth he is Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. Your aptitude decides your role And if you don't do it as per aptitude, you decide it as per your birth, then for sure lot of mess will happen. And it happened, we need to see judicially from when real trouble began in India society. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, so subscribe and press the bell icon. One important thing, if you